The moon is our test ground for living on other planets because, well, it's the closest. How are we going to fix things if they break? How are we going to find resources if we need them? Can we bring all the technology that we've developed here on Earth just to the moon and expect it to work in the way that it works here? So NASA Minds is an undergraduate challenge set forth by NASA. It's to challenge undergraduate students and also expose them to the research and development process at NASA. Right now, there is a mission called the Artemis mission. This is a multi-step mission where we would like to create a colony on the moon. And with that colony comes a lot of technical limitations and sort of problems we haven't solved yet. What we're solving is how do we survey the land around our colony in a safe way, ideally without humans. And the idea that we came up with is using a swarm of robots to go and map autonomously. So we release the robots on the lunar surface and they scurry around and they create a map of what's around us. Something that makes our project unique. We also want to use this other technology called ground penetrating radar to see what's below the surface. So not only are they creating a map of the surface, but also they're seeing what's underneath so that maybe later on we could excavate those materials. Right now we're 3D printing the chassis and all of our components to hold the robot together. Wheels, our rocker, which is part of the little mechanism that makes the robot rock back and forth, and some of the other parts. So we created our own circuit board from scratch for the robot. A moment of truth. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. I spent like a month designing this board and it fits perfectly. I think the biggest unique opportunity for students is seeing how exactly an engineering process happens at NASA. I think that's really important and valuable information. Sort of go through the process of a real world project that real engineers use this to solve some pretty crazy problems, and we get to partake in that process. So I think that's really cool, honestly.
Boosters in ignition. And liftoff of Artemis 1. We rise together back to the moon and beyond.